Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this lecture, I want to explain binomial theorem. Binomial theorem. Bi means two. And nomial means term. So theorem which expand expression in this form which contain two terms is called binomial theorem. Now statement of binomial theorem. If n belong to integer and two number a b belong to real number, then a plus b whole power n is equal to combination n0 a power n minus 0 b power 0 plus combination n1 a power n minus 1 b power 1 plus combination n2 a power n minus 2 b power 2, and last term will be equal to combination nn a power n minus n b power n. This is equation 1. Now we know that combination n0 and combination nn always equal and equal to 1. By NCR formula, combination n2 is equal to n pictorial divided by n minus 2 pictorial into 2 pictorial. Now this can be written as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 whole pictorial divided by n minus 2 pictorial, and here 2 pictorial is equal to 2. N minus 2 whole pictorial cancel with n minus 2 whole pictorial. After that, this is equal to n into n minus 1 divided by 2. Now equation 1 implies a plus b whole power n now can be written as a power n plus n a power n minus 1 b power 1 plus n into n minus 1 divided by 2 a power n minus 2 b power 2. In last term becomes b power n. Now suppose this is equation 2. Let a is equal to 1 and b is equal to x. Equation 2 implies 1 plus x whole power n is equal to 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 divided by 2 x square plus, and last term becomes x power n. Now this is the special case of binomial theorem when a is equal to 1 and b power x. Here in R is called coefficient of binomial theorem. Binomial coefficient. It's called binomial coefficient. Actually this is NCR, and we know that NCR is equal to n pictorial divided by n minus r pictorial into r pictorial. So for binomial theorem, NCR concept is so important. This notation can be written as NCR or some calculator, and some calculator this also written as NR. Now this is lecture for binomial theorem. For today it's enough, I think.